Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 compact grow light bulbs designed for indoor plants at all growth stages. These full-spectrum LEDs offer natural daylight tones, high ppfd output, and energy-saving performance, perfect for herbs, vegetables, and flowering plants. Whether you're upgrading a desk lamp or outfitting a greenhouse, each bulb fits standard E26 or BR30 sockets and delivers efficient, low-heat illumination. Some models include smart timers, dimming functions, or ceramic cooling for enhanced reliability. If you're looking for a simple, stylish way to boost plant health without harsh lighting or high energy costs, this lineup has you covered. Number 1. BREIGNITE A19 Full Spectrum Grow Bulb. BREIGNITE's A19 Grow Bulb emits 4000 K white light with a red/blue spectrum, ideal for tomatoes, herbs, and leafy greens. Delivering 1000 lm at 180 degrees, it uses just 11 W while matching the output of a 100 W traditional bulb. The high transmission design improves plant absorption with a ppf of 25 mol/s. Built from plastic and aluminum, it offers excellent heat dissipation and low operating temperature. Unlike purple grow bulbs, its natural light blends seamlessly into home decor. Fits standard E26 sockets for easy installation. A great choice for energy-conscious growers who want healthy plants and pleasing aesthetics. Number 2. Unilampro A19 LED Grow Bulb. Unilampro's A19 bulb delivers 1000 lm at a wide 240 degrees angle, consuming only 9 W while replacing a 100 W incandescent. The full-spectrum output mimics natural sunlight with a 4000 K tone and CRI 95+, showcasing indoor gardens without harsh glare. High transmittance and a ppf of 25 mol/s promote vigorous growth. Made from plastic and aluminum, it operates at a safe, plant-friendly temperature and lasts up to 30,000 hours. Fits standard E26 sockets and installs easily. Ideal for flowers, vegetables, and herbs at any stage. A reliable, low-cost solution for home growers seeking balanced, efficient lighting. Number 3. SANSI BR30 24W Ceramic Grow Bulb. SANSI's BR30 Grow Bulb features a 120 degrees beam angle and 4000 K daylight tone with a CRI near 100, perfect for full-cycle plant growth. With a ppfd of 126 mol/s/ at 1 foot, it delivers strong, even coverage. Ceramic heat sink technology replaces aluminum for faster dissipation and higher reliability. The flame-retardant shell and WF2 anti-corrosion rating ensure safety and durability. Emits low IR and minimal heat radiation, protecting plants from burns. Note: surface may get hot, avoid direct contact. Ideal for larger setups or grouped plants needing consistent, high-efficiency light in a natural tone. Number 4. Necjumlex A21 Smart Grow Bulb. Necjumlex's A21 bulb offers full-spectrum light, 380 to 800 nanometers, with a 4500 K color temperature that's gentle on the eyes. Sunshine mode simulates natural brightness changes throughout the day, while the built-in smart timer allows daily auto on-off from 2 to 22 hours. No external dimmer needed, just plug into any E26/E27 socket. Designed for all plant types, it provides uniform light and intelligent control in a compact form. Ideal for users who want automated lighting with minimal setup. A smart, stylish upgrade for indoor gardens, shelves, or desktop plant displays. Number 5. Feit Electric BR30 LED Grow Bulb. Feit Electric's BR30 Grow Bulb emits targeted wavelengths, 448 nanometers blue and 630 nanometers red, to support leafy growth, budding, and fruiting. Rated for high humidity, it's ideal for hydroponics, greenhouses, and indoor gardens. Consumes just 9 W while replacing a 65 W incandescent, with low heat output to prevent leaf burn. LED technology offers up to 25,000 hours of life and 80 to 90% energy savings. UL listed and FCC compliant for safety and performance. A trusted choice for growers seeking reliable, spectrum-optimized lighting from a brand with 40+ years of innovation. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.